In today's technology-driven world, businesses rely heavily on their IT infrastructure. This infrastructure is the backbone of modern enterprises, enabling seamless operations and communication. This infrastructure includes networks, servers, data, and applications. Each component plays a critical role in the overall functionality and efficiency of the business. Protecting these assets is paramount. Without proper security measures, businesses are vulnerable to cyber threats and data breaches. This is where IT infrastructure audits come in. These audits are essential for identifying weaknesses and ensuring that all systems are secure and efficient. An IT infrastructure audit is a systematic examination of an organization's IT systems. It involves a thorough review of hardware, software, and network configurations. Its purpose is to evaluate the security and controls protecting the system. This includes assessing the effectiveness of firewalls, antivirus programs, and other security protocols. Regular IT audits are essential for maintaining a robust security posture, ensuring compliance with regulations, and mitigating potential risks. They help in identifying gaps and areas for improvement. A well-executed audit helps organizations identify vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities, if left unaddressed, could lead to significant security breaches. These vulnerabilities could be exploited by attackers. Cybercriminals are always on the lookout for weak points in a system to exploit. By proactively addressing these weaknesses, organizations can strengthen their defenses. This proactive approach is crucial in staying ahead of potential threats. They can prevent data breaches, service disruptions, and financial losses. A secure IT infrastructure ensures business continuity and protects the company's reputation. Moreover, many industries have stringent regulatory requirements regarding data security and privacy. Compliance with these regulations is not just a legal obligation but also a business imperative. IT infrastructure audits play a crucial role in demonstrating compliance with these standards. They provide documented proof that the organization is adhering to required security practices. Failing to comply can result in hefty fines, legal repercussions, and reputational damage. Therefore, regular IT audits are not just a best practice but a necessity for modern businesses. Before commencing an IT infrastructure audit, it is vital to define its scope clearly. The scope outlines the boundaries and focus areas of the audit. Determining the scope involves identifying the specific systems, applications, and data. These will be included in the audit. It's crucial to consider the organization's size, industry, and regulatory requirements when defining the scope. For instance, a healthcare organization might prioritize systems containing protected health information. A financial institution might focus on systems subject to the payment card industry data security standard. Once the scope is defined, the next step is to identify the critical requirements that will guide the audit. These requirements stem from three primary sources: regulatory compliance, business objectives, and risk management. Regulatory compliance requirements vary based on industry and location. They often dictate specific security controls and practices. Business objectives outline the organization's goals and how IT systems support those goals. For example, if an organization's objective is to enhance online customer experience, the audit might focus on the security and performance of its e-commerce platform. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential threats to the IT infrastructure. Assessing its security is a core component of an infrastructure audit. This assessment typically involves examining security measures across different domains, including user domain. This domain focuses on user access controls, password policies, and security awareness training. Workstation domain. This domain assesses the security configuration of desktops, laptops, and other end-user devices. Network domain. This domain examines firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, and network segmentation. Application domain. This domain focuses on the security of software applications, including secure coding practices and vulnerability management. Database domain. This domain assesses the security of databases containing sensitive information, including access controls, encryption, and backups. Server domain. This domain examines the physical and logical security of servers, including operating system hardening and patch management. Gathering relevant documentation is crucial for a comprehensive IT infrastructure audit. This documentation serves as evidence of the organization's security posture and helps auditors understand the IT environment. Key documents to gather include security policies, These documents outline the organization's security rules and guidelines such as acceptable use policies, password policies, and incident response plans. Network diagrams. These diagrams provide a visual representation of the organization's network infrastructure, including devices, connections, and data flows. Access logs. These logs record user access to systems and data, providing an audit trail for security events. Previous audit reports. Reports from previous audits can highlight recurring issues and track the implementation of remediation efforts. Once you have gathered the necessary documentation, it's time to map security policies to the different IT infrastructure domains and ensure they are comprehensive. This mapping process involves identifying the specific security controls and measures outlined in the policies. Then, you determine how they apply to each domain within your infrastructure. For example, a password policy might specify minimum length requirements, complexity rules, and password expiration policies. These requirements should be mapped to user accounts in the user domain, as well as service accounts used to run applications and services in other domains effectively. Testing monitoring requirements is crucial for ensuring threat detection and response. This involves a comprehensive approach to identifying potential vulnerabilities and ensuring that all systems are continuously monitored for any signs of malicious activity. Effective monitoring is essential for detecting and responding to security incidents promptly. Without proper monitoring, threats can go unnoticed, leading to significant damage and data breaches. The audit should assess the organization's monitoring capabilities. This includes evaluating the effectiveness of current monitoring tools and identifying any gaps that need to be addressed. It should ensure that appropriate tools and processes are in place. These tools must be capable of providing real-time alerts and detailed reports on any suspicious activities. This includes evaluating intrusion detection and prevention systems, which monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and can block or alert on potential threats. These systems are the first line of defense against cyber attacks. Security information and event management systems aggregate and correlate security event data from multiple sources, providing a centralized view of security events. This centralized view is crucial for quick and effective incident response. The audit should also assess the organization's log management practices, including log retention policies and the ability to search and analyze logs for security events. Proper log management helps in tracing the origins of security incidents. Additionally, the audit should verify that the organization has a documented incident response plan and that it is regularly tested and updated. Regular testing ensures that the team is prepared to handle real incidents efficiently and effectively. Understanding controls is key to mitigating risks and ensuring compliance. Security controls are safeguards or countermeasures designed to protect IT systems and data from threats. They play a crucial role in reducing risks and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Controls can be categorized into three types. Preventive controls aim to prevent security incidents from occurring. Examples include firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, and access controls. Detective controls are designed to detect security incidents that have already occurred. Examples include intrusion detection systems, security logs, and system monitoring tools. Corrective controls are used to mitigate the impact of a security incident and restore systems to a secure state. Examples include incident response plans, backups, and system recovery procedures. The IT audit process typically follows a structured approach, which includes the following essential steps to ensure a thorough and effective audit. Planning involves defining the audit scope, objectives, and methodology, as well as assembling an audit team. This stage is crucial for setting the foundation of the audit and ensuring all team members are aligned with the goals. Evidence collection is where auditors gather evidence through interviews, document reviews, and technical testing. This step is vital for obtaining accurate and comprehensive information. Testing involves conducting various tests to evaluate the effectiveness of security controls, such as vulnerability scans, penetration tests, and configuration reviews. These tests help in identifying potential weaknesses in the system. Analysis is the stage where auditors analyze the collected evidence to identify vulnerabilities, risks, and compliance gaps. This analysis helps in understanding the current security posture of the organization. Reporting involves documenting findings in a comprehensive report, which includes recommendations for remediation. This report serves as a critical tool for communicating the audit results to stakeholders. Remediation is the organization's responsibility to implement the auditor's recommendations to address identified issues. This step is essential for improving the organization's security and compliance. Follow-up may involve auditors conducting a follow-up audit to verify that remediation efforts have been successful. This ensures that the organization has effectively addressed the identified issues and improved its security posture. In conclusion, IT infrastructure audits are essential for maintaining a strong security posture, ensuring compliance and mitigating risks. By following a systematic approach, organizations can identify vulnerabilities, strengthen their defenses, and protect their valuable assets. As technology continues to evolve and cyber threats become more sophisticated, it is crucial for organizations to adopt a proactive approach to IT security and compliance. Regular IT infrastructure audits are an integral part of this proactive approach. They provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of security controls and help organizations stay ahead of emerging threats. Remember, a secure IT infrastructure is not a destination but an ongoing journey of continuous improvement.